Hello, in today's video we will talk about asset lists in TopBraid Edge. Asset lists offer you a way to build a list of bookmarks, lists of to-do items for yourself, but also to share with your colleagues. And if you share your asset lists, then they become a way to collaborate and work jointly with others. Let's take a look at how it works. Here in TopBraid Edge, I'm looking at the geography taxonomy, and I could bring in an asset list panel. Please see our videos about panels and layouts in TopBraid Edge. Now I have my asset list panel, and I could simply start dragging and dropping into it to assemble a list of items I may want to come back later to, or I may want to change, or I may want to perform some operations on. To remove item from a list, you could select it and click on this minus icon to remove it. To perform some operations, you could select one or more items, and then this more menu gives you a selection. So you could add those items to a basket, and basket is kind of like an asset list, except an asset list is specific to this asset collection, geography taxonomy, while with a basket you could put items from different asset collections into a single basket. You could edit, you could delete, and since here I have geographic displays available with a map, I could also show them on the map results panel, and there may be some other options. I could have more than one list. To do that, I will name my list. So let me name it as to review list. Okay. And now I could add another asset list panel. Okay, so you see the default name is just going to be asset list 1, 2, 3, and so on, but I could give them more meaningful names. So let me call it to edit list. All right. And I could drag and drop different items here. Now I have two lists. And now that I have two lists, I actually have another operation available where I could move items from one list to another. Add to asset list, where I select a target list if I want to. So now I have those two lists, and if I exit this asset collection and then come back, the lists will still be available to me because they are remembered in the browser. However, if I access TopBraid Edge from another browser, another machine, the lists will not be available to me. If I want those lists to be available to me and also to be available to others, I could share them by saving on the server. So this lets me share this asset list. And by sharing it, I'll make it available to other users, which could then access them and modify the list or work with items on the list. And by doing this, this becomes a way to collaborate. So if the list is shared, this icon becomes green, and you could also open lists from the server in case other users have saved the list and maybe told you to take a look at the list and do something with those items. Since this can be a shared list, it may be important to know who added these items to the list. It's also maybe important to know when it was added, and so on. So these are the options that are available in the settings menu. Thank you for watching this video.